So, guys, what you're about to witness and hear is very embarrassing from General we country, Ubaba Sibiya, lying under oath kwi Madlanga Commission. You're gonna hear him saying something as denier, like Obala, even if Nomadlanga try to help him ukuthi yazi nogcine la. So make sure mesukhuluma ngalento kanje uzoba uyabo uzokhuluma kanje, helping him out to understand the law and the line of questioning. But this guy, hi, uwenye level mfethu. So please stick around, make sure you are a subscriber. Also, she comment about this whole situation. Yeah, tell me what you think about this Madlanga commission, especially with the case guard General Sibiya, because now Wenza isn't just Nagaza since Buffett. You are watching the D.O.P online podcast with Fly. Roll the tape.
This letter, General, before you answer my question.
Not at all.
Okay. So the question was about what Mr. Matlala said about delivering the Impalas to you.
All I know and all I can remember is that he denied it himself. He said it never happened, and then that is not his voice. So I say, I know for a fact that I never received such.
Okay. So let me just take you to another part of the record, the chats. It will be in file 7. Yeah, 7. And it's page 89.
Page 89.
Whilst you are looking, General, I know Mr. Madlala is not here, has not been thus far, but I just want to engage you on your reliance on what you say was a denial by him regarding the Impalas. You remember.
Madlanga was trying to help the guy, to guide him. Ukuthi before kube lento azoyikhuluma, he must know ukuthi ne kuke kwenzakalani, but still.
You remember the screenshot that you were shown here today or this morning?
That's correct, Chair.
And you remember that part of that screenshot, Mr. Matlala says to the person who I think, or rather whose voice I think we hear in that recording, he says to him, please check your account. Do you remember that?
I do, Chair.
That must have related to Mr. Matlala paying. I mean, that in context, that's what seems to make sense, correct? Check your account.
Yes, Chair, I agree, but it could have been for anything.
No. If you let's go on with, of course now, but we can show that screenshot again.
Yes.
But in the meantime, let me work on the basis I'll be shown to be a liar. But after Mr. Matlala says, check your account, then the person says, thank you, sir, got it, thank you very much. You see that?
I see, Chair.
And then on memory, I think it then promises to deliver. What does he say down there? Okay, everything has been arranged. He will cash the Impalas on Sunday and transport it Monday to that location. Is it good? So he's saying that to Mr. Matlala, and Mr. Matlala says no problem. Do you see all that?
I see, Chair.
I still remembered it, or I still remembered all of it off the top of my head. Now, if, as appears to be the case, Mr. Matlala paid for the Impalas, the person received payment, the person promised to deliver, and Mr. Matlala said no problem. what must we make of this? Must we say this is all a lie?
From where I'm sitting, Chair, when I'm sitting with a situation where I said I don't want the Impalas, remember, Chair, at the back of our mind.
No, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry to do this to you, General. This is not about your own response or attitude. What I'm asking you is about what you said was Mr. Madlala's denial. What exactly?
You see, even here, Madlanga is very patient for the guy with answer exactly lento afuna ukuthi ayenze, because now ufuna ukufaka i-attitude entweni engangeni i-attitude la bezama umchazela ukuthi wena ugcine uthe. So that's why bemkhombisa lama screenshots, because lama screenshots ama conversation ade benawo noMatlala bekhuluma indaba zokukhokhelana, umunye ezosho ukuthi uzomnika impala ezingakanani. Manje yena wenze ngathi lo muntu abakhuluma ngaye naye la umuntu angamazi, nale number le ekhulunywa ngayo kweyakhe akuyona. Take a listen.
About what you said was Mr. Madlala's denial. What exactly did Mr. Madlala deny? You said Mr. Madlala made a denial regarding the Impalas. What exactly did he deny?
He said he never sent any Impala or bought any Impalas for me.
Does what we've just looked at support that?
That is something else. They don't say for General Sibiya or for Sibiya.
But remember, this is all in the context of you having given your address for delivery. All of this is in that context.
You see, Chair, it will be dangerous to speculate, because from where I'm sitting, I don't know the relationship between Madlala and maybe this person who is talking to, and what that money was it for or about. But I find it very difficult for me, where I'm sitting, having to respond to a communication that involved between Madlala and someone else, or between Nkosi and someone else.
General, Ms. Hassim already took you to the location or the pin that was sent, and you accepted that it was your address. Do you remember that?
I do, Chair.
Yes. So this was to be a...
So uvuma ukuthi le pin ne address yakho, so kahle kahle uchaza ukuthi kwakubani wayikhuluma noMatlala regarding Impala and regarding ukuyideliver, zazodeliver kanti kuphi? Whether the only thing ome ngayo ukuthi what wena awuzidinga izimpala, but the fact that lo muntu esikhuluma ngaye oyicartel, oyi-criminal, oyi-fraudster, oyonke into wena as a general nikhuluma naye. But now ngoba uyabona ukuthi izinto seziyakushubela, usuwenze ngathi yonke nje lento is just nje fake, ifabricatiwe, awazi lutho ngalento. Let's listen.
So this was to be a delivery at your place?
Yes, Chair.
And the only thing spoken about which was to be delivered were the Impalas?
Up until I said...
No. Let's leave aside what your attitude was. The only thing that was to be delivered was the Impalas, correct?
Not the Impalas. What I wanted.
General, I've said it will be the third time now. I have said at this stage, I'm not talking about your attitude, but what was to be delivered according to the conversations, the context was the Impalas, correct? Yes, your attitude was, Sergeant Kosi, if it's Impalas, I don't want to hear a thing about them. All I want is a mate for this one animal, which is a black spoke. If it's Impalas, I don't want. That's not what I'm asking you. I'm asking you that in context, everything that was spoken about was about the delivery of Impalas. I'm not talking about what your attitude was to that. Is it not correct?
It's correct, Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Hassim.
Thank you. At the second message from the bottom is what I want to draw your attention.
uyabona umisasimo inkinga kakhulu uyabona ngiyambona even naye uSibiya mesengena uHasim hayi akathandi kahle ngoba uyabona uHasim ukuthi akazini ngo black and white uze ngecase uze ngecala uze nje ngokufuna ukuthola iqiniso uyabo uMadlanga sometimes ukamteketisa amfaka emgqeni so that ezokwazi ukuphendula accordingly kodwa naye uMadlanga usuke emhlomekisa ukuthi aphendule exactly lento abafuna ukuthi bayiphendule but naye ubona ngathi uMadlanga uyena umuntu angathi angarelaya kuyena ngoba uyamsaba lo uHasim lalela.
What I want to draw your attention to. This is an extract of a WhatsApp conversation between Mr. Madlanga and Mr. Brown Mokgotsi, and it was retrieved from Mr. Madlanga's phone. And the second message from the bottom reads as follows. I hear that you told Mr. S that I told you that I gave him some animals to keep at his plot. So I wanted to hear from you if there's any truth in this. Did Mr. Brown Mokgotsi speak to you about delivery of animals to your plot?
No.
Did you not have any conversation with him about impalas?
No.
So this conversation between Mr. Madlanga and Mr. Brown Mokgotsi takes place on the 8th of May 2025. Do you see that?
8 May 2025.
Yes.
I don't know where you see the date. Advise me. Oh,
It's
okay.
On that chat.
I say 14 May 2025.
No, it's the one above.
Oh, one above, yes,
Yes.
8 May. Yeah, okay, I see it.
There's a gap in some days before he sends the next message to Mr. Mokgotsi. So it's 8 May 2025. So it was before his arrest. And the recording that we played was taken at the time of his arrest on 14 May 2025. Okay? So the conversation about the impalas, the animals and the delivery to the plot, was already taking place before he was arrested. Do you see that?
I hear what you say.
You still maintain that the 14 May was an AI generated?
I wouldn't get involved into the AI generated stuff or part of it. All I'm saying is that these are the conversations between certain individuals on their own accord, whatever they were talking about. That does not involve me.
It does involve you, though. And they are talking about the delivery of animals. Here Mr. Madlanga says animals, but what we know them to be are impala.
But
So if there was not this issue of the impalas and the delivery of the impalas to your property, why would he be discussing it with Mr. Mokgotsi?
What I heard is when you were saying to Mokgotsi, I hear you going around saying, you told so-and-so that, let me read it. I hear that you told Mr. S that.
This guy is going down.